Hello guys, welcome back. Today we have a Romeo 3931 radio. It belonged to the Romanian army and it is a modular system that is able to detach the front panel, and this unit is missing the TX module and also the tuner module, which is the same basically. However, I would like to power it up to see if the receiver works. It is like the new icon. No waterfall though. There's not much information about this radio on the internet. This is the only picture I've seen showing the radio itself with all its modules. I've looked into Romanian radio forums and Facebook groups with no success. All I found is a manual in order to operate it, but it doesn't have any technical information or diagrams. The radio operates from 1.5 up to 29.9 megahertz. That's LSB, USB and Charlie Whiskey, and also AM. And the power output is 20 watts. I think it's got a 5 watts option as well. It's got an internal automatic tuner that it's supposed to be very, very fast, but this unit, as I've mentioned, doesn't have this module. Let's carry out a visual inspection. It still has the seal and the screws, so this has never been opened in a long time. Let's hope there's a schematic inside. Top plate modules are assembled in this way. So we have a total cap 30 here. Those are always prone to death. And contacts need to be very clean. Sometimes failure comes from a bad contact. Very interesting. It has a TCXO. Japan made. Interesting. Oh shit. Old school everywhere. You have to look for back contacts here, but it's a very thick layer of everything. This old school should be working fine, except for the tantal caps. Look at this chunky bit. I have this Raycal compatible handset. So let's try the pin out. I don't know. Oh, the black. Okay, so the plug is fine. It works. It's tight because it's, you know. So this is the battery area. I've identified those positive and negative areas, but I don't have a clue where it's supposed to be connected. Anyway, I see that somebody has been there before and has applied some solder here and there. So I'm gonna connect it there just to test it. And I've set the power supply to 0.5 amps just in case, and the fuses are okay. So I'm gonna test it. Connect it there. This is the power button, and whenever I turn it on, okay, look at this short. Is it game over? In fact, scurt in Romanian means short. So yeah, I know the radio is not complete. It lacks the power and the tuner module, but it should work at least on RX. And the circuits are here for the RX part. So in any case, I've been trying to isolate the short by taking out module by module and see if the short was still there, but so far no joy. And well, how would you proceed? I would love to have schematics or diagrams, so if you have any kind of information for this radio, please leave a comment. And that's all for now. I'd love to make this radio go back in the air, so I will keep you informed. Okay, bye bye, thank you for watching. 73.